Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 5 English language teacher. First of all, open up page number 54. We are doing the last exercise from unit 5 that was left, and this exercise is your homework that you have to do in the book only. So, last time also I told you that the fact is something that is proven true. That is a reality. Fact means a reality. For example, a mango is always yellow, mostly yellow. A leaf is green, so a leaf is mostly green. In the same way, a fact is June always comes before July, so that's a fact. June can never come after July. So fact is the same for all, but opinion is different. For example, you can have an opinion of myself, you can say Miss Anila is loving, or some other has an opinion that Miss Anila is caring, or Miss Anila teaches good, or whatever. Some can say there no, I don't like Miss Anila. So anyone and everyone has a different opinion. So opinions can be different. It is not wrong or right. This is the difference between fact and opinion. So you have to read the paragraph that follows, and you have to whatever line you think is a fact that is same, you will write underline it with blue and write F with blue. And if you think that it's an opinion, you will underline with red and write O. For example, pizza tastes better than shawarma. So this is just an opinion. So you underline with red and write O. But there are a lot of calories in pizza. That is a fact. So you underline with blue and write F. In the same way you do with all the questions. This is your homework. Then we read a new chapter today, Unit 7, Black Beauty. In this we have studied about a horse who is telling his story in his own words, that he is brought up in a very good and kind environment, but outside the environment everyone is so not so careful about him. Others are careless, cruel. So he has the writer Anna Sewell is telling that we should be kind and sympathetic towards the animals, especially the horses. So this is about a colt, the baby horse, whose name is Black Beauty, and it's of black color. So he's saying that he's brought up in a very good environment. He's taught all the good habits, and she's got a mom, and the mother horse is taking care of him, and he is fed by the mother horse's milk. But when Black Beauty, the horse baby, grows up, he started to eat the grass, and then when its mother goes for work, it is playing with its friend colts. He was having 6 young colts in the meadow, and they were all his friends, Black Beauty's friends, and they used to play all together, having fun when his mother has gone to work. And but these colts have a very bad habit of biting and kicking while they are galloping. So the Black Beauty's mother taught him that you should not listen and behave like those colts to bite and kick the other each other, because the mother of Black Beauty told him that you are a good horse and you are brought up in a very good environment, and your father has a good name, your grandfather has won a competition, 2 races, and the grandmother was a very good person. So the mother of Black Beauty horse told him that you should behave like a good person and do not kick and bite others. And the master of those Black Beauty and his mother, its mothers, was very good, and the master used to call his mother Pet. And while he was the master used to call the Black Beauty Darky, because he was of a dark color, black color. The master used to give them a piece of bread that was very good, and sometimes the master used to give a carrot to his mother, and the horses would come to him. But there was a plowboy Dick who used to sometimes come to their place, and he used to have fun with all the calls. We used to throw stones at them and sticks at them so that they can start galloping. One day the Dick also came to over there, and he was doing the same, throwing the stones and sticks at the calls. So the master catch him, and he gave the boy the punishment that he should not come here and go away from here. And then the boy went away from here, and the master gave him money and asked him to go home and never come again. So then that boy Dick never came again, and the other person came to look after the calls, and that was old Daniel, and who was also looking after the horses just like the master. So this is a story of the showing the kindness about the horses. I have given you a few questions because it's a sort of reading comprehension. You read it and now you have to answer the questions. So you have to answer the ticked questions. What did Black Beauty learn to eat? The Black Beauty learned to eat the grass. What did he do when his mother was working? When his mother, you always take the answer from the question. What did he do? You never take from question. You say when his mother was went for working, he used to play with his friends calls and was having fun and galloping with them. And then you have to do question number 6. Describe Black Beauty's master. Black Beauty's master was very kind. He used to give them bread and carrot, and used to give them keep them with great care and giving them time. And he was very good person. He was very kind to Black Beauty and his mother. And you can describe even more about Black Beauty's master having all the good qualities of a master who takes care of the animals. Now, who are Pat and Darky? Pat is the name of Black Beauty's mother, and Darky was the name given to Black Beauty by the master. Now, question number 8, you have to do what was Dick's idea of fun. Dick's fun was that he used to throw stones and sticks at all the calls so that they gallop, and in this way Dick was having fun with them. So this is all. Allah Hafiz.